If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here. How's everybody doing today? Mail call today, so let's get right into the package. All right, well, a friend of mine sent me a package here that I didn't know was coming until it came, and here it is. So here it is. So and let's see what's in here. Make sure. Just a bunch of this and that. All right, here we go. Okay. All right. And I'll show you what's in the bag, and then I will do a review on the pen in here and give you all the details. Okay, so if it is a pen. What do you think it is, Mr. Announcer?
Well, I don't know. So far it seems to be packaging and more packaging.
In these trays.
Oh, there's something.
Oh, here it is. Wow.
Okay, a pen case.
All right. There it is. In fact, that's what I was looking for the other day.
Really?
Yeah. Wow. Here's the manual to it. Wow. I can't believe it. I was looking at this pen, at this brand of pens, just the other day. And a special thank you to you, my friend. I know you wanted to stay anonymous, so, 100,000 times thank you. I wasn't even expecting it. So let's open the case. Wow, I can't believe you read my mind. Beautiful pen case. I love it. Opens up like a book. And look at this pen. Look at this pen. Gorgeous pen. Comes with your cleaning cloth, your warranty. Beautiful pen. Unscrews. And let me look at this for a minute for you. It's a medium nib. Beautiful. Came with a cartridge in it, ready to write. And you can get the converters for it. And here is there's a converter right there. Okay. It's got all the goodies with it. Well, thank you, my friend. And again, I'm blown away. I never thought in a billion years that you would even send me this one. And like we're on the same wavelength. And wow, stunning. Absolutely stunning. All right, folks. I hope you enjoyed my mail call today. I know I did. I'm just stunned is probably the good word for that. Like I said, he didn't even tell me that he was doing it. He just did it. And wow. So thank you to you, my friend. I appreciate you. And a sincere, honest, special thank you to all of my viewers and subscribers. Like I've always said before, you guys are the stars. If it wasn't for you guys, wouldn't need a reviewer who'd be watching the channels. It's people like you that watch people like me review the things I review. So, God bless each and every one of you. Stay safe, my friends. Wash those hands. Be as safe as you possibly can. And, as always, don't text and drive. And a lot of peace and a lot of love to everyone. See you later.